Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a customized 56 Ford truck, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is new for 2025, and the livery on this one is called Day of the Dead. So it looks really beautiful if you ask me. I mean, every time they do this livery, they nail it. I mean, we did unbox uh, one more casting before. I'm not remembering the name of the car. What is that? Oh my god, I honestly guys, I totally forgot it. But you can see that in my channel. Okay, so with that said, okay, I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. Let's unbox this. I don't want to waste any more time. Okay, so here is the card art once. Let me just put this aside now. Let's go to the casting. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. It has a little bit of paint, I mean, excess paint here. I don't really mind. The livery looks so beautiful. So it doesn't have any painted headlights here, but the headlights are embossed. So they could have just, given some kind of paint job here. But for this particular casting, the way they did this casting, it really matches. So it doesn't have any taillight details either. They could have at least given a taillight details here, I mean, maybe in white color, because that will suit with the livery. And you can see the wheels here that actually matches with this particular set of this particular casting and the paint job here. So the truck bed is actually chromed out. Okay, so the body is metal, the truck bed is plastic, even the air intake here is plastic. Whatever chromed out here, everything is plastic, and the chassis is also plastic. So but it is a really beautiful casting to look at, and it does have some interior details here that is also chromed out. Again, that's also plastic. I'm really happy they actually went with clear plastic, for the windshield here instead of the black tinted one, because that would have actually made this casting look a bit dull. This one looks really cool because of the chrome inside, it shines a little bit. It looks really nice. I personally love this old trucks. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 35 grams, I guess. Let's see. 37 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Wow, that rolls really well. It is really smooth as well. Okay, so see, it does roll really well. Maybe let's do it one more time. Yeah, it reaches the end like 90% of the time, so I don't have any issue with it. Okay, let's rate this casting. See, this excess paint here, paint smear here, that is specific to me, so yours might not have. So apart from that, okay, they could have at least just given one set of details here, either the headlights painted or tail lights painted. So for that, I'm reducing 0.5. So rest everything looks absolutely gorgeous on this one. So 9.5 out of 10. So that's what I'm giving. Okay, so if you are able to get this casting edge, please go ahead and get it, and you won't regret it. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.